Freecash push notifications can stop appearing even when your account is still receiving rewards, because notification permissions are controlled by both Freecash and your device. By the end, you'll know which notification settings to check, how to refresh Freecash's permissions, and what to do if notifications still don't arrive. Start inside your phone's settings. Find Freecash in the app list and open its notification settings. Make sure notifications are allowed. If notifications are disabled at the system level, Freecash cannot display push alerts even if notifications are enabled inside the app. Next, open Freecash and check its own notification or account settings if your version provides them. Turn the relevant notification options on. Then completely close and reopen the app. If you're using Android, check whether your phone has restricted Freecash's background activity. Battery optimization or background restrictions can prevent an app from running normally when you're not actively using it. Remove any restriction that specifically prevents Freecash from operating in the background, if your phone provides that option. Android devices can also use different battery management systems depending on the manufacturer. Samsung, Xiaomi, OnePlus, and other brands may place background permissions in different menus, so look for settings related to battery usage, background activity, or unrestricted battery access. On iPhone, open Settings, select Notifications, find Freecash, and make sure Allow Notifications is enabled. Check the alert types as well, because notifications can be allowed while specific alert locations are disabled. Also check Focus or Do Not Disturb. These modes can silence notifications without changing the individual notification permission for Freecash. Temporarily disable the active focus mode and test Freecash again. If notifications stopped immediately after a Freecash update, restart your phone and open the updated app again. This can refresh the app's connection with the operating system's notification service. Don't reinstall Freecash as your first troubleshooting step. Check your notification permissions, background restrictions, battery settings, and focus controls before removing the app. If notifications still don't work, compare the behavior with your account activity. If rewards and account updates are appearing correctly inside Freecash, but push alerts aren't arriving, the issue is more likely notification related than an account crediting problem. If you use Freecash through a browser instead of the mobile app, check the browser's site notification permission for Freecash. Browser notifications are controlled separately from mobile app notifications. The main fixes are straightforward. Allow Freecash notifications, remove restrictive battery settings, check Focus or Do Not Disturb, restart the device after an update, and verify whether Freecash itself is still updating normally. Your next step is to open your device's notification settings, select Freecash, and confirm that notifications are allowed. If this fixed the problem, like the video and subscribe for more Freecash troubleshooting guides and payout tips.